Sup guys, iandroidchris here, back in another video, and as you all know, the iPhone 13, the 13 mini, and the Pro have all came out just recently. So today I just wanted to give you guys a review on the iPhone 12 Pro Max 1 year later, for those who still don't know if they want to buy the 13. But anyways guys, let's get right to it. Now the first thing I want to talk about is the build of the phone. Now I just want to simply say that this phone is very beautiful, and as you can see I did decide to get the gold color, which is my favorite. On the top of the phone you have the 3 cameras and a very nice smooth glass finish, which is very similar to the 11 and 13 Pro Max. For this 12 model, just like the 13, Apple used their new ceramic shield glass technology, which they claim is the strongest glass ever on a smartphone, also made for QI charging. Next, on the left side you have the volume buttons along with the ring/silent switch, which is placed very nicely for those with larger hands, along with the SIM card tray below that. On the right side you have the power button to turn on and off the display, and below that is the window which allows the 5G signals to pass through. At the very bottom you have the charging dock and the speakers for music, which I can say are very loud speakers, and music sounds very nice coming from them. And on the front of the phone you have the large 6.7-inch display with the earpiece at the top. Now compared to other iPhones that I currently have, this thing is huge, so if you enjoy smaller screens and phones, get the 12 or even the 13 mini if that's your cup of tea. Next, moving on to the display, the iPhone 12 Pro Max has a beautiful 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display. The screen does have a scratch-resistant ceramic glass, so the screen is pretty strong. It also has a very nice and vibrant 2778 by 1284 resolution, which also supports 4K, so watching movies, reading books, and different types of text is very easy to see. Next, moving on to the performance of the phone, the iPhone 12 Pro Max is very fast using the A14 Bionic processor paired with 6 gigs of RAM. It also comes with 3 options of the 128 gigs, 256 gigs, or 512 gigs, which is what I decided to get. Opening up multiple apps is no problem with this phone, and iOS 15 ran very smoothly even after the 13 release. And of course we have the cameras of the iPhone. The iPhone 12 Pro Max has 3 12-megapixel cameras which cover ultra-wide, wide, and telephoto ranges, and I must say the camera is spectacular on this phone. It has 4x zoom in, 2x zoom out, along with the 10x zoom in. It's also well equipped with a dual optical image stabilization with the infamous portrait mode, night mode, smart HDR portrait lighting effects, and panoramic features. The phone captures almost every feature of an object similar to a DSLR, and it does amazing in low light situations. Also, straight out of the box with iOS 14, Apple added the Pro RAW support, which adds tons of sensor data to photos for improved editing and control. With all these features, if you're a camera person and you forgot your DSLR, the iPhone 12 Pro Max will be a great substitute. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. I'm iandroidchris. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Also follow me guys on Instagram, where you guys can see all the different types of pictures that I take, all my photography, magazines, things like that. Share with your friends. But anyways guys, I'm iandroidchris, and I'll be back with another video.